Question number 9, it is given two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3 by 8 hours. The tap of the larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Okay, so there is a water tank which is filled by the larger diameter and the smaller diameter two pipes. Okay, and the larger pipe takes 10 hours less than the smaller pipe. Whatever the smaller pipe will take the time to fill the tank, larger tank will take 10 hours less than that. Okay, both the taps together can fill the tank in 9 3 by 8 hours. Getting? So we have to find out the time taken by each each tap separately. Okay, so first of all, total time taken by the pipes together is 9 3 by 8 hours. That is 8 9 the 72, 72 plus 3 is 75 by 8 hours. That means both the pipe are taking 75 by 8 hours to fill the tank. Now let the time taken by smaller pipe be x hours. Okay, we will suppose we will take smaller pipe takes x hour to fill the tank. Okay, so portion of tank filled in 1 hour will be how much? Portion of the tank filled in 1 hour will be 1 by x. Okay, 1 by x portion will be filled by the smaller pipe in 1 hour. Similarly, in 75 by 8 hours, the smaller pipe will fill the tank equals to 1 by x into 75 by 8. Okay, because in 1 hour it is filling 1 by x portion, so in 75 by 8 hours it will fill 75 by 8 into 1 by x, that is 75 by 8x portion. Okay, this much portion the smaller pipe will fill in 75 by 8 hours. Similarly, the larger pipe takes time to fill the tank is x minus 10 hours. Okay, the larger pipe takes time to fill the tank is x minus 10 hours. Okay, how x minus 10 hours? Because the larger pipe takes 10 hours less than the smaller pipe, so smaller pipe is taking x hour. Similarly, larger pipe will take x minus 10 hours because 10 hours less than the smaller pipe. Okay, now portion of tank filled by larger pipe will be, larger pipe in 1 hour will be 1 by x minus 10. Okay, portion of the tank filled by larger pipe in 1 hour will be 1 by x minus 10. Okay, so in 75 by 8 hours the larger pipe will fill, the larger pipe will fill the tank is 1 by x minus 10 into 75 by 8. Okay, if in 1 hour it is filling 1 by x minus 10 portion, then in 75 by 8 hours it will fill 75 by 8 into 1 minus x, 1 by x minus 10 portion. Okay, so multiply this, 75 by 8 into x minus 10 portion it will fill. Okay, this much portion of the tank will be filled by the larger pipe in 75 by 8 hours. Now according to question, tank filled by smaller pipe plus larger pipe equals to 1. Okay, tank filled by smaller pipe and larger pipe is 1. That means only one tank is filled by both the pipes. So both the pipes portion will be how much? one pipe, smaller pipe's portion is 75 by 8x plus larger pipe, how much it is filling? It is filling 75 by 8 into x minus 10 equals to 1. Both the pipe together they are filling one tank. How much portion it is filling? Smaller pipe is filling 75 by 8x portion in 75 by 8 hours, and the larger pipe is filling 75 by 8 into x minus 10 portion in 75 by 8 hours. So together they are filling only one tank, that is this portion plus this portion. When we will add, we will get the whole tanks filled by both the pipes. Okay, so we have to add both the portions and we have to take 1 here because only one tank is filled by both the smaller and larger pipe. Now take out 75 by 8 common, we will get 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 equals to 1. Cross multiply 75 by 8, x minus 10 plus x by x into x minus 10 equals to 1. 75 by 8, x plus x is 2x minus 10 by x square minus 10x equals to 1. Take out 2 common, 75 by 8, 2 common, x minus 5 by x square minus 10x equals to 1. Can we cancel 2 and 8 because this is in multiplication? Okay, so we will get 75 by 4 here, x minus 5 by x square minus 10x. Okay, now multiply 75 into x minus 5 by 4 into x square minus 10x equals to 1. Shift this whole term this side. So you will get 75x minus 75 into 5 is 5 is 25, 5 2 carry, 7 5 is 35 to 37 equals to 4x square minus 40x. Okay, 4x square minus 40x. Take both the terms this side. Now bring everything this side. We will get 4x square minus 40x minus 75x plus 375 equals to 0. Okay, now 4x square, add this, we will get 115x plus 375 equals to 0. Okay. Now we have to split the middle term. The middle terms will be 4x square minus 100x minus 15x plus 375 equals to 0. Between these two take out 4 common, 4x common, x minus 25 we will get. Between these two take out 15 common, x minus 25 we will get. Okay, so the terms are x minus 25 equals to 0 and 4x minus 15 equals to 0. That means x equals to 25 we will get and x equals to 15 by 4 we will get. That is when we will divide, we will get 3.75. So the time taken by the smaller pipe is x, that is 25 hours. Okay, time taken by the smaller pipe is x equals to 25 hours. Similarly, the time taken by the larger pipe will be x minus 10, that is 25 minus 10 hours. Okay, 25 minus 10 hours, that is 15 hours. Okay, so in this way you can easily able to calculate the values of the smaller pipe and the larger pipe when we are comparing them between the hours of 1 hour and how much portion it is filling the tank. Okay.